everyone. Welcome back to the Francis. Just came home from work. Here's Mr. Francis. Just came in from work and I wanted to do something quick for dinner because I'm hungry. I didn't eat all day. I decided to cook some chicken neck. And I cleaned it up already. I didn't bother to start that in the video. I cleaned it up already and it's in the pot. Let me show you. Let me turn around the camera. Look at that. Real Jamaican style, you know. Look at that. I like when it's like this, when it's kind of burned. So I fry it a little and I let it stay there and cook, slow cook. So it's almost done. One pot of chicken neck. Look on this. Jesus. It look good, don't it? Oh my God. Yep. I let it stay there and cook a little. Yep. I have my water boiling ready to put in it when I'm going to make the gravy. Yep. Lucky back. Yeah. This is the season that I use when I season my chicken neck. This is a pimento seed. I normally crush it because I don't like to see it in the pot. So my husband crush it for me. Yes, so I have that. Then I have the browning, the Grace browning. The Grace browning is not so good. I rather the Eve browning, but this is what I have. You can hardly get the Eve browning in America. Normally when I come to Jamaica, I'll buy it. But what I have is finished. So I just go to the next best thing, Grace. Then I use my garlic powder, my accent season, the wake up food flavor, and the good old oxtail season. Yes, it's a oxtail season, but I still use it in all the meat that I have. The fish and meat sauce, that's from Grace. I have some hot pepper, grind pepper, and the good old all-purpose season, Maggi. Everybody know about this seasoning here. If you're not a true Jamaican, trust me, you know use that season here. Only the true Jamaican use that season here. All-purpose, good old all-purpose, Miss Maggi. Then I have my paprika and slap your mama. This season is very good. I don't know if it's in Jamaica, but I see a lot of YouTubers using it. So I guess it's in Jamaica. But it's good. It's good. And I'm steaming some rice to go with the chicken neck. Jasmine rice. I just put it on. You still see my butter on top? Miss Jasmine. I don't like rice. Jasmine is the only rice really I really eat. So if I'm doing rice, that's the rice that I use. Jasmine rice. See the butter on top? Yes, it's just steaming up for me to mix in the butter. So, lucky back. I'm getting ready to put in the water in the chicken neck. Normally I use like carrot and some Irish potato in this. So check in back to see when I put it in. Okay, this is what I like my chicken neck to look like. People say it's burned, but no. I'm just getting the color. I like when it has the taste when I cook it down, like a little burnt taste. Yeah. See, it is getting the color now. So I'm going to cut up my carrots and my, no, I don't think I'm going to use any Irish today. I'm going to use carrot. But check in back. Yeah, look how the gravy I get thick already here. That's what I use to make gravy. Yep. So I turn down my fire a little. Yeah. So take your time and make the gravy. Look how that pretty. She's such a... And my secret, I put a little bit of sugar in it. Yeah, I like a little sugar in my chicken neck. Yeah. can use brown or the granulated sugar, it don't really matter. And it's optional. It's just I normally just use a little. Look at that already. Look there. Look how it's making the gravy already. Yeah. Look. Yep. Perfect. Lock it back. I'll give it like maybe a 5 more minutes and we're done. Let's check in on the rice. That's seriously me have one fork here for the rice. Look there. Woo. Look there. Look how it's shelly. Right there. Yep. Miss Jasmine for you. Yeah. A lot of people don't like to use the file paper, but the file paper works. If you don't have any file paper, use a piece of plastic bag. Works same way. Yep. This is ready. Woo. Tastes good with the butter. Turn off the fire. And the rice done. I'll wait for the chicken neck now. Yep. So check in back. Yes, come closer. Look at that. Okay. Look there. Look on the gravy, you're rich. Look there. Oh my God. Now make it dry down no more now, cause guess what? Me gonna make some banana. Not now. But me gonna make some banana fish to eat with this. Jesus, look on that. Oh my God. So this finished now. So me gonna take it out of the pot. Cause if you leave it on the stove, it's going to dry right out. So when you finish with your pot, you know, leave it on the stove. You never cook meat and you say, when me leave it and go be and come back and whatever. And when you come here and say, Jesus, the gravy dry out. Well, because you leave it on the stove. Because it's still on the stove and it has sucked the gravy from the pot. So when me done cook meat, I always throw it out same time. Yep. Look at that. Yep. And I don't leave my meat in the pot and put it in the fridge. No. I always share out my meat, food. Anything that I cook, I take it out the pot. I don't put it in the fridge like that in the pot. It's very hard to wash out when you do it like that. It's stuck to the pot. And it don't look good in the fridge. No, I'm not do it. But I'm going to take it out right now. The container them bills. Yeah. I always have containers. Anything I cook, I always put it out. There's a big one, yeah? Yeah, because I hold it. If you know, last night we looked for that green cover here. Jesus! Look for that green cover there when we cooked porridge last night. Yes, people, I use a lot of hand papers. Yeah, a lot of paper towel. Yeah, I get my meat board because I put the pot on it when I scrape out the rice. Because the last time, I put the pot on the counter and never realized that it's a farm mica. And burn up the people them cupboard. Look, the countertop, look there. Burn it up. So nowadays, I use the meat board Yeah. And put it down. So I'm going to scrape up the rice first. Look at that, people. Come closer, babes. Look there. Look there. Pretty. Look once. Put the rice in this or put it in a bigger. Can you hold it? Alright, Miss Jasmine. Look for Miss Jasmine. Jesus. Look at Shelly. Watch it. Miss Jasmine. Yep. Anybody who love jasmine rice, put it in the comment section. Best tasting rice. You know, remind me of Alberta rice. And with the rice, so we using that Jamaican name? Uncle Benji rice. Yes. Remind me. Yes, it'll tell me age, but I tell you Uncle Benji rice. Woo!
Uncle Ben or Uncle Benji?
A Ben or Uncle Benji?
Uncle Ben.
Uncle Ben? Yes. I tell you.
Tangerine box.
In other words, the tangerine box? I don't remember, but I know that was one of the best tasting rice in Jamaica. Because, as me say, I don't love rice. So those are the rice normally that I use. So, the Uncle Ben rice, the Alberta rice. The Alberta rice expensive, doing people in Jamaica, and then jasmine. But I guess you pay for your taste, eh? Because it tastes good, it not tastes barky and all them something. But very expensive and everybody can afford it. Yeah. A non-stick pot, you know. The rice not so burn at all, but you know, so my husband will scrape out the pot bottom. Anyway, leave that for him. Alright. Look at that. Alright, this go on the table.
I hope you have enough gravy if you eat that, you know.
The amount of gravy in the pot. Jesus. Alright. Alright, you know say you have to choke the meat for me. People that don't normally choke the meat because I will always say me show it out bad. So come. Alright, let me leave it. Take the phone from him and he will go show it out for me. Go on. And then you're going to see the chicken neck. Oh my God. The chicken neck bad. My taste it bad. Oh, I'm putting a sink. Look at that, people. We can't even see it. Look there. Jesus. Look there. My God. Look at that. Give me the spoon, babes. Okay. Yep. Gravy for days. And look how thick and rich and nice. Okay. Gravy for days. And the rice. Yep. Yep. Alright, when I plate it out, you're going to see. At least I'm going to plate it out because I don't like share food. So I'm going to plate out something yourself and you will see. Never fail. Always. Him always leave some in the pot. And put little rice. The bun me leave in the pot. him scrape it in a gravy and look on him. And never fail him. Always do it. Always.
Remember first time that Jamaica, that's the first thing you know, you want the pot bottom.
Yep. How it tastes?
Good, the best part like that. Yum, yum. Yes,
The good old chicken neck. Where the real Jamaican them there.
Number one thing, when you eat out that pot, you have to wash the pot.
You better believe it. All them Jamaican will go foreign and claim say, oh, I don't eat chicken neck again. I don't eat this, I don't eat that. Look here, man. You can't let go of your Jamaican, you know. The Jamaican ways, not at all. So people check in back when he might go plate out something himself and eat. Alright. Catch you. So my husband take too long to come share thing food. So guess what? I share some for myself, yeah man. I can't wait so long. I'm hungry bad. Look at that, people. Jesus. Look at that.
In there. Remember that song where it say, in there.
Oh my God. Tastes so good. No one chew me hungry. Tastes good. Yep. Watch I'm sharing lunch right now. Yeah, yes, we carry lunch. We cook, we carry lunch. Yep. Real Jamaican. Morning time we go with the lunch bag with water and with little juice. Because sometimes the foreign food, me can't manage the foreign food. Normally me like drink little tea like around 11 o'clock. Maybe eat 2 crackers and then come home and cook and eat. Like now, I don't eat anything from morning. I just drink some tea at work. And I don't even know where I eat. I don't eat anything at work. Just drink tea. I know it's not good, but that's me. I don't like food. That's why most time I'm full of gas so much. But this is it, people. Look at that.
Like?
Tell me your taste. Tell me your taste.
Let me tell you from the scrape the pot already good. Good.
Alright, so that is it, people. Saturday evening vibes. Just cook my chicken neck and the jasmine rice. And we are going to eat now. I'm going to ask you to like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, and touch the notification bell. So when we post again, you'll be first to be notified. What you have to say, babes?
Normally it will be a...
Hold on, let me turn on it.
Normally it will be a soup. We have no special here. We eat soup Sunday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. Chicken back Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Banana dumpling Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Out!